DIY decorators, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark with DecoArt, we are making over a mirror. And we're using Americana Decor chalky finish paints and Americana decoupage. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave DecoArt a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hello to DecoArt. Are you ready? Let's make over a mirror. Americana Decor chalky finish paints come in a ton of different colors, so pick your favorites and don't forget to make your mark with DecoArt. I'll see you next week.